Talofa lava, malo le lei, malo le onsai, malo fo le soifua. I am speaking on behalf of Rugby League Samoa in my capacity as Chairman and President to convey this strong message to both our Tongan and our Samoan community, to all our fans, our children, our families. Please refrain from making any and causing any problems that will hinder this tournament. Rugby League is a sport based on the notions that family is a priority and also premises on the fact that to bring communities and different ethnic groups together. It's not about war, it's not about division, it's about unity. So we ask both our families, our Tongan community, our Samoan community, all our fans, to please make peace. We need to have a good game of rugby league on Saturday. On behalf of my colleague Stan Moheloa, the chairman of Rugby League Tonga, and Tavake Funako, to convey this to both our communities. So please, we want to make peace. We want to play rugby league. Be there, support your team, and no matter what, win or lose, rugby league wins. There is no use staging this tournament that will create divisions amongst our countries. Unity. 说服我。